Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2006 Toyota 4Runner, and I want to show you how to reset the oil change maintenance light. If you need any parts, check us out, 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so to reset the maintenance light, we're just going to turn the key to the on position. You want to make sure that your odometer is on the regular odometer field. So if you have it on trip A or you have it on trip B, this is not going to work. Press it one more time if you're on B. It's going to bring you to the main odometer field. Turn your key off, press and hold your trip button, and then you're going to watch right down here. I'll do it like this. You're going to watch for the maintenance, and you're also going to watch right inside the odometer field for some dashes. It's going to start counting down. Ready? Turn the key. All right, it's blinking over here. So that looks like it worked perfectly. On some Toyotas, it does a little dash right up here, and it'll be like 5 dashes, 4 dashes, 3 dashes. So, you know, maybe like a Toyota Corolla or Camry or something like that. You'll have the dashes. This one over here, it just blinks the maintenance light. The maintenance light went out. Looks like it's good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.